Did you know that you don't need to have 1000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube? In fact, you don't need any subscribers to start earning money. You can start earning money on YouTube copy-pasting links starting from your first video. Let me just give you a quick example from my own life. Here is one program that I used. In the last 1 month, I have earned more than $10,745. And people worldwide make money with this program. Let me just give you an idea. Some of our YouTube subscribers who have joined this, you can see here all of these flags all around the world, from Africa, Asia, America, Europe, everywhere people are starting to make money with this program. Well, let me just give you another example that you may be more familiar with, and that is of course Amazon.com. On Amazon you can make money by copy pasting the link. Here on the top you can click here copy, you can copy these links, and when you come to YouTube and you paste them here below your video, you will start earning money when people use your link. And you can copy paste links from any Amazon products and you will earn money when people buy things on Amazon. Just to give you an example of the Bible, you can see here Holy Bible. If I want to share this for Christian people, I could click here, copy a link, and when people buy, for example on Amazon or anything else, I earn money. And of course Apple phone, I can click here text, I can click here to copy this link, and then I will start earning money when people click it. And same also with this laptop, for example, I can copy this and I can paste it. And there are millions of products. Anytime you copy paste a link and somebody clicks it, you will start earning money when they shop on Amazon. That is also known as affiliate marketing, and every major company in the world has an affiliate program. For example, if you come to Google, you search for Amazon affiliate program, you find it immediately. Apple affiliate program, you find it immediately. Same with this BYBIT affiliate program that made me $10,745. They have an affiliate program. Pretty much every big company nowadays has an affiliate program, and when you join it, you will get a link like I just showed you on Amazon. You can copy the link, and when you paste it, you will earn money. And now I want to give you 5 different video examples that you can use to make money starting from your first video. First video idea is create a tutorial. You can, for example, show when you use that product yourself, or you can show a clip from the internet when somebody else uses that product. Let me just give you an example with this BYBIT program that I'm personally using. Here I have, for example, one trade open with $427 in profits. So I could show here how I make money with this, and I have shown. And then I can also show that, hey, I earned $10,745. You can also start earning for 100% free. It's 100% free to join this and start making money. So I created a tutorial about it. And in fact, for example, in this video, I showed 7 ways to make $100 a day on BYBIT. So this is like a tutorial. And in the same way, you can create tutorials for your audience. And then you will leave a link here in the description and also in the pinned comment, so people can join and they can start using it. The next idea is a review. For example, you can find your favorite phone or your laptop on Amazon and you can give your own experiences about it. Or let me just give you an example from my own life. Here I create a video about, is BYBIT safe? 7 facts to know before joining. So I give my own personal experiences. Or another platform that I have been using since 2017, it's also known as Binance. You can see that it's #1 ranked in the universe in its own category and in its own industry. Every single day tens of billions of dollars are being exchanged on this platform. So I created the same kind of video. Is Binance safe? 7 facts to know before joining. Binance review. So I share my own experiences about it. And in the same way, in this BYBIT review, I share my own experiences about it. And sometimes you may even create the review even if you wouldn't have used the product yourself, because you can collect other people's reviews. Let me give you an example from Amazon. Let's say that you want to make money copy pasting links from this Apple iPhone. So you can scroll down here to customer reviews section and you can pick up some of the most popular reviews and you can show your viewers what people are saying about this, because some people, they might be so lazy that they wouldn't want to read, or maybe they just want to listen for some reason. So then you are providing value for those viewers by reading them out loud. So you don't even necessarily need to use the product, you simply share other people's experiences. But of course, if you have your own experiences, that can also be powerful, as I'm doing here myself. And the third types of videos are how-to videos, where you show how to do something. Let me give you an example again from this BYBIT website. So here I created a video how to get the biggest bonus on BYBIT. They provide up to $30,000 welcome bonus for new users. So they are basically walk through what are the requirements, how people can get it, and all the details. Oh, here is another example. I show here how to earn Bitcoin on your phone. So people who are on my channel, they want to learn how to earn money using their smartphone. So I simply show it here in the video. Best Bitcoin earning apps, so people can start earning money using any device. And then of course on my playlists, I often show how-to videos, how to make money on Binance, how to make money on Binance without investment, how to make money with Binance savings, how to make money with Binance peer-to-peer trading, how to make money on Binance without trading. So a lot of how-to videos. These types of how-to videos also work really well. And keep in mind that all of these things that I show you, they work in any industry. You can create tutorials about tennis if that is your industry, if that is your passion. You can create reviews about phones if that is what you are interested in. You can create how-to videos, for example, on how to sleep better if that is your passion. These work in any industry with any passion, with any topic. And the fourth option are comparisons. You can see here an example, Binance versus BYBIT. So I compare these two platforms. As you can see, they are some of the top platforms in the universe. Binance is ranked number 1, BYBIT is ranked number 3. So they are the industry leaders and some of the best in the whole universe. So here I simply compare them. And one criteria is of course my personal experience, but I also compare other factors. So again, even if you wouldn't have experience, you can simply read other people's experiences just to make it easier for you, because sometimes beginners say, hey, but I haven't used this product, hey, I don't know so much about this. Well, share what other people have said, because that is also helpful in the marketplace. And one beautiful thing about comparisons is that these don't usually require a lot of views in order to make money. You can see this one, for example, only 2,100 views, but I believe this video has probably generated hundreds of dollars. Of course, I haven't tracked it specifically, but same also with reviews. You can see here Binance review and then also BYBIT review. They have 1,300, 5,700 views, and I'm pretty sure that these 3 videos in total have generated pretty good money, because people find these kind of videos just before they are about to sign up to these websites, and then they come to see my video, then they click a link, then they sign up, then they start using it, and I earn money and they benefit from the service. And the same applies to you. For example, if your interest is running, you can create a review between Nike sneakers versus Adidas sneakers. Or if you like cameras, you can create a comparison Sony camera versus Canon camera, or any type of topics that you want. Or for example, Android phone versus Apple phone. So these work in any industry, in any topic. And then the 5th idea is any type of video, because you can literally make money with any type of video on YouTube. Then at some point in your video you can simply mention, hey, there is a link in the description, check it out. For example, I now live in Costa Rica, so I could create a video where I go to the beach, let's say, or I go to the jungle, for example, do some hiking, and then I can say that, hey, I just checked my mobile phone with my BYBIT app and I noticed that I have earned $450 profit with this one while I'm in a jungle, for example, or while I'm laying down on the beach, I just earned $200 by using this BYBIT app for trading. You know, this kind of video. So you can create any type of videos while you are on the go. Or let's say you are on your holiday and your passion is, for example, tennis. Then you can go to play tennis and you can say, hey, this is my favorite tennis racket, this is what I'm using. If you want to get it also, you leave a link in the description. They can buy it, for example, on Amazon or Wilson website or whatever brand you are promoting, and then you will earn money. So you can make literally money with any type of video. If you want to learn even more in detail how you will make money copy pasting links on your YouTube channel, come to see other videos on my channel, Tube Journey to Freedom. And if you want to become even better, I have created a specific program called Tube Journey to Freedom, where I help you step by step to make a life-changing income and achieve the ultimate freedom. Life-changing income means that it literally transforms your life, so your life will become better than ever before. And to achieve ultimate freedom, with this I mean time freedom, financial freedom, location freedom, so you can work anytime you want, you can spend your time in any way you want, and you don't need to worry about money, and you can live anywhere in the world. You can travel, you can do whatever you want once you earn enough money on YouTube. And that is what I show you here on my program Journey to Freedom. So this is for those of you who want to learn even more and who want to achieve financial, time and location freedom. You can join immediately using the first link in the description or a link in pinned comment, and you and me, my friend, we are going to see inside the Journey to Freedom program. I'm looking forward to talking with you.